The day after Donald Trump was elected president, the group Aid Access, which sends abortion pills by mail, saw 10,000 requests for the drug. The group gets about 600 requests a day from across the country, including from Republican-led states like Texas with abortion restrictions.
Telemedicine has been lowering the barrier to access abortion services dramatically, because before telemedical abortions existed, people had to travel to states.
Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton is suing one of the doctors Aid Access has worked with for prescribing a patient in North Texas the abortion drug, saying the doctor is not licensed to practice in Texas. In a statement, Paxton said, "In Texas, we treasure the health and lives of mothers and babies, and this is why out-of-state doctors may not illegally and dangerously prescribe abortion-inducing drugs to Texas residents." The challenge sets up a clash between Texas's law prohibiting the mailing of abortion drugs and New York's so-called SHIELD law that aims to safeguard doctors who prescribe pills via telemedicine.
The SHIELD law states have been designed to protect providers against states that are wanting to harm their women, basically, that want to prevent them getting access to life-saving medical care. This is why the SHIELD law states have been implemented. And the fact that they were implemented means that they might have been needed.
In response to Paxton's lawsuit, New York Attorney General Letitia James said in a statement, "We will always protect our providers from unjust attempts to punish them for doing their job, and we will never cower in the face of intimidation or threats." Some legal experts say after the fall of Roe v. Wade, it was almost inevitable that conflicting state laws would be tested.
Unfortunately, what happens now is this becomes a federal issue that could ultimately end up at the Supreme Court. It is hard to parse, even as a lawyer, which state's law should dominate. It almost makes all healthcare a federal issue to a degree, or at least the prescribing of medication a federal issue.
The Supreme Court said earlier this year that a group of doctors who oppose abortion rights lack the legal authority to try and revoke the Food and Drug Administration's longtime approval of the medication abortion drug mifepristone. But legal experts expect states will continue to try and make access to it difficult. President-elect Donald Trump said it is highly unlikely that he would restrict the drug. In Washington, Rena Diamante, Spectrum News.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Let Spectrum News be your resource for balanced, in-depth political coverage. And click the subscribe button here. You can also download our app and watch us on TV to learn more about the candidates, where they stand on the issues, and more. We'll see you then.